Okay, so I finally found the magical tool to clean out the junk from the connector, the charger area in a phone. My kids have had trouble with this, and I thought, wow, my phone's not really charging either. So here's the secret weapon. This guy. So it's a little flosser thing, but look at the end here. See, it's got a little hook. By the way, it's plastic, right? It's not too hard. And it's got a little sharp hook at the end. So it's just got enough goodness to get in there and get to the corners. And then you can also, with some, you got to be a little careful, but pull it to the corners and then get also scrape just very gently the insides there. And you can get the sides as well. And then, it was magical what came out of this. Here, look at this. That's from my phone. There you go. Now it charges just fine. There you go. Magical. Oh, it's also good to floss your teeth with. All right. Have fun charging your phone.